Good morning and welcome back to Proceeding Onward in America.
POA.
Well, today is going to be another beautiful day for another great hike. We are going to Wantastiquet Mountain.
Yeah, so it is a little mountain. It's not that big, but it's in Hinsdale, New Hampshire, where I grew up. And it gives you a beautiful shot of New Hampshire and Vermont, which on the other side will be Brattleboro, Vermont, where I was born. So it gives you a little hometown feel. Jag is with us. Hi, Jaggies. He's back there somewhere. So he's going to go for a hike with us. I remember doing it once as a child, and it wasn't that crazy. So it should be fine. I don't know. We can look it up on all trails or something. That might be a good thing to do, to see how easy it is or not.
It's easy.
It should be easy. But yeah, I hope you enjoy our footage from on top of the mountain.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, we're here and we're about to get started. So we'll see you at the top.
And we wore bug spray this time before we went up on the trail. Highly recommended. Oh, I think I remember what we need.
What?
The sticks.
Oh.
Yeah. So on all trails it says it is a medium or moderate type of hike. So it's about 3.7 miles and takes about an hour to 2 to climb. I'm not sure if it's up and back, but we'll let you know. And this is sort of what it should look like. Off we go. we made it to the top. We made it to the top.
Well, welcome back to Proceeding Onward, and we made it to the top.
Yay! So you can see Brattleboro, Vermont over there. Yay!
Somewhere back there.
Somewhere back there. So we'll show you some drone footage. Hopefully it'll be okay. It's a little windy here and there with little gusts, but we should be okay.
We'll see.
We'll see. And Jaggy made it. Hi, baby. You had to tie him up to a tree.
Welcome back. Sorry for the lighting. We're in the car and it's
after
7:30.
Yeah, it's after sunset.
So pretty dark outside. The walk was pretty good. According to my Apple Watch, I did over 9,600 steps and 4.88 miles. Going there and back. It's not that bad. Time wise, I think that took us about 2 hours.
Yeah, a little less.
So that's pretty good.
Yeah.
We had fun. The view was gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed it as well.
If you are in the area of Hinsdale and Brattleboro, we do highly recommend the hike. A little rocky at points. The elevation is just a little over 1,000 feet going up. Yeah, so that's what the app says. So I'm cheating because I use my app. So, and we had a dog. So you could possibly do it in an hour and a half. If you have children or a dog, plan for 2 hours. All right, time to go. Talk to you later.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.